Draw a dog. Materials: copy paper, pencil, eraser, ruler, cup. Optional materials: marker, colored pencil. The Draw a Dog activity is inspired by Leo Sewell's dog, a mixed media sculpture of a dachshund, part of the Appleton Museum of Art's permanent collection. To start to draw a dog, break the body of the dachshund down into recognizable geometric shapes. To help with this process, use a cup to help draw circles. Make sure to draw lightly, as many of your initial lines will need to be erased. Use the large end of the cup as a template to draw a circle for the shoulder area of the dog. Tip the cup onto its side and make a mark. Line up the small end of the cup with that mark and trace the small circle of the cup for the back end of the dog. Draw an even smaller circle for the head of the dog, above and to the left of the shoulder circle. Draw lines for the dog's neck, connecting the bottom curve of the head circle with the upper curve of the shoulder circle. Use a ruler and draw a straight line an inch or two below the body circles for the ground that the dog stands on. For the dog's snout, draw a triangle extending from the head circle. For the legs, draw a straight line from the middle of the shoulder circle to the ground line. From the middle of the back circle, draw a short diagonal line out to the right and then connect it to the ground with a short straight line. Inside the head circle, draw a U shape for the dog's ear. Starting at the head circle, draw a line around the entire dog, curving at the neck and back. For the tail, draw a curved line extending up from the end circle. For the legs, draw lines on either side of the initial line so that the initial line is in the middle. Now erase any unnecessary lines visible in your drawing. For the dog's eye, draw a small triangle. Add a mark for the dog's nose. Flatten the top of the dog's head. Add lines for the back legs parallel to the legs in the front. Create small curved lines connecting the front legs to the body of the dog. Finish the tail by adding a bottom curved line and connecting it to the top tail line. Now go over your entire drawing with a darker mark from your pencil. You can also use a marker or colored pencil if desired. Once again, erase any unnecessary lines. Now you have drawn a dog. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.